Hello guys, you want a connecting Claude with Google Drive. Lets you read, analyze, and work with your files directly using AI. Let's set it up step by step. First, go to the official Claude website and log into your account. Now click on plus icon, then look for Add Connectors. Click on it, then search Google Drive from the list of available services. When you tap on Connect, you'll be redirected to a Google sign-in page, your account, and allow the required permissions. Click Allow so Claude can access your files securely. Don't worry, you can revoke access anytime. Once connected, files will pop up, and you can ask Claude to read documents, summarize files, or analyze your content directly from Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude with Google Drive. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials.